Now we have to see random process. A random process is a collection of real variables x of s comma t that are functions of a real variable t where s belongs to s. S is the sample space and t belongs to t. T is the index set. A comparison between random variable and random process. Random variable means the possible outcomes of an experiment x of s. Random process means the possible outcomes of an experiment and also time t, that is x of s comma t. Next, the outcome is mapped into number x, and in random process outcomes are mapped into wavefront which is a fun of time t. Classification of random process. This is two types, random variables and random process with respect to time t. This also two types. First one is discrete, second one is continuous. Next we have to see the definition of first order stationary. That is, if the process is first order stationary, then the mean value, that is expectation of x of t, is a constant. Next we go to see WSS. WSS means white sense stationary. That is, E of x of t is constant and E of x of t into x of t plus tau is equal to Rx of tau. Depends only on tau when tau is equal to t2 minus t1. This is also called the triple SS process, but not as conversely. Example, give an example of stationary random process and justify your claim. So example, x of t is equal to a cos omega t plus theta. So theta is a uniformly distributed in the interval 0 comma 2 pi. Already we know that the definition of uniformly distributed, f of theta is equal to 1 by b minus a. That is 1 by 2 pi minus 0, 1 by 2 pi. So E of x of t is equal to minus plus infinity x of t f of theta into d theta. So a cos omega t plus theta and f of theta 1 by 2 pi. So taking the constant a by 2 pi. Only integrate with respect to theta, so cos omega t plus theta. That is sine of omega plus theta. So substitute this upper value is 2 pi minus, substitute the lower value 0. Sine of 2 pi plus omega t, that is sine values is first quadrant is a plus, all plus. Therefore sine of omega t minus sine omega t. Therefore the answer is 0, is constant. Since x of t is a constant, for the process x of t is a stationary random process. Thank you.